In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad groups in Google Ads. If you're looking to effectively reach your target audience and get the most out of your online advertising, learning how to set up ad groups is an essential skill. So let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Google Ads homepage. Once you're there, navigating is pretty intuitive. You'll notice a sign in button usually at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials for Google Ads. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up, but for this tutorial, we're assuming you're already signed in and ready to go. After signing in, you'll be directed to what we call the Google Ads home. Think of this as your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Here you can have an overview of your campaigns, check performance metrics, and of course create ad groups. Now direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You should see a navigation bar. Look for the section labeled Campaigns. Clicking on it will take you to a page where you can either manage your existing campaigns or create new ones. This section is crucial for organizing your ads according to specific objectives or themes. Once you're in the campaign section, your next move is to find and click on Ad Groups. This option allows you to see all your existing ad groups under each campaign. It's here where you can manage them, make adjustments, or add new groups to better target specific audience segments. Now you've made it to the point where you want to create a new ad group. Locate the button labeled Create Ad Group. Clicking this will prompt you to provide some essential details that will define your ad group. You'll need to choose which existing campaign you want this new ad group to belong to, or if necessary, create a new campaign altogether. Then you can start defining your ad group's specific traits, such as the set of keywords it will target. Remember to be strategic with your choice of keywords, as they play a significant role in determining who sees your ads. And there you have it, you've successfully created an ad group. Always remember to review all your entries before finalizing them. Double check your keywords, budget and target settings to ensure they align with your business goals. Experiment with different ad groups to see what works best for your audience and adjust accordingly. That's it for today's tutorial on creating ad groups in Google Ads. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting effective advertising campaigns that resonate with your target audience and drive better results. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials on maximizing your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching.